Assalamu alaikum beloved students, hope you all are fine and welcome to the class of mathematics class 8. In the previous lecture we have completed 2 questions of exercise 2.2 and today we'll begin with question 3 and question 4. So let's try to solve the question 3. For that we need to read and understand the question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3 centimeter. So base, here they have talked about the base of an isosceles triangle. Hence here you should know the triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? Okay, so let me clear you this, that the isosceles triangle means the triangle in which two sides are equal. Means these two sides will be equal and the third will be different. So here they have given the base of that triangle, means this one is given Q as 4 upon 3. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 upon 15. This is the mixed fraction. So here they have given the perimeter of the triangle, that is 4 2 upon 15. So you need to convert this mixed fraction to the improper one. So let's convert it. 15 4s are 60 plus 2. So it will be 62 upon 15. Okay. What is the length of either of the remaining equal side? Means you have to find out the length of these two remaining sides. So you will suppose it as x. Now why we supposing with the same variable? Because it is stated that it is isosceles triangle, and as it is an isosceles triangle, both the sides are equal, so you can denote it by same variable. Okay, so now here they have given the perimeter, so we will use the perimeter, and perimeter of triangle, or you can say perimeter of any shape, will be the addition of all the sides. So here we will simply add all the sides of the triangle, x plus this third side, that is 4 upon 3, and this perimeter is given to you 62 upon 15 is equals to, now this 1x plus 1x, so it will be 2x plus 4 upon 3. Now if you are getting confused in this kind of equation, then simply you can reverse them, means LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS. So 2x plus 4 upon 3 is equal to 62 upon 15. Now we know that these are in addition. If you will transpose it, then it will be in subtraction. So 2x is equals to 62 upon 15 minus 4 upon 3. Now if you will look at this, then these are not the like fraction. Like fraction means their denominators must be same. Then and then you can subtract the fractions. Okay, so you will take the LCM and your LCM will be 15. So you will multiply it by 5 as it is 3. So to get 15 you will multiply it by 5, and this is already 15, so we will not multiply by any number. So 2x is equals to 62 upon 15 minus 20 upon 15. Solve it. 62 minus 20 upon 15. So you will get 42 upon 15. Now as we want the value of x, we will transpose this 2 on the other side. So this will be x, and this 2 and x are in multiplication. So if you will transpose, then it will be in division. यहाँ ये 42 upon 15 will remain as it is. Simply you will transpose this 2. Now this 2 and 2 you will not cut, but this is a number. So you know that 21 2s are 42, 2 and 2 cut. Further if you want to simplify, 21 upon 15, then this is 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. So you will get 7 upon 5. Hence this is your answer for unknown sides, that is 7 upon 5 centimeter. Okay. you will reduce this is what we call the reduced fraction of 42 upon 15. So my dear students, it is very easy to solve these questions. You already know how to solve, you just need to form the correct equation. Moving with the question 4, sum of two numbers is 95. Sum means the answer of addition. So here they have specified the sum of two numbers is 95. यानी यहाँ तक स्टेटमेंट रीड करने से मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता चला कि कोई दो नंबर्स है जिसका एडिशन 95 है, एंड आई डोंट नो दैट नंबर्स, राइट. सो आई विल सपोज दैट नंबर, सपोज वन ऑफ द नंबर इज x एंड वन एक्सीड द अदर बाय 15. यानी एक नंबर x सपोज किया तो जो दूसरा नंबर है वो पहले नंबर से 15 ज़्यादा है. सो आई विल ऐड 15 इन x टू गेट द सेकेंड नंबर. सो आई विल गेट द इक्वेशन लाइक दिस, x plus 15 is equals to 95. Understood? So now this is 1 plus 1, 2x plus 15 is equals to 95. I cannot take it as 17, this one, because this 15 is not the like with 2x. So 2x is equals to, transpose this 15, they are in addition, so it will be subtraction. So 2x is equals to 80, hence x is equals to, now these are in multiplication, so it will be in division, so 40. Hence x is equals to 4040. This is not your final answer, as they have asked the two numbers, and we have supposed that the two numbers, from the two number, one of the number is x and another number is x plus 15. So you will take this as 40 and the next is as 40 plus 15, so it will be 55. So these are the two numbers, 40 and 55, and if you want to check your answer, then you can check your answer. If you will add these two numbers, then you will get 95. Look at these two numbers, 40 plus 55, your answer is 95, और उन्होंने कहा है कि उनका आंसर 95 है. Okay, let's have a quick recap of this question, that how to form the equation. So sum of two numbers, I don't know what the numbers are, so simply I will add two numbers जिसका addition 95 है. I have supposed one is x and another is specified here that it is more than 15, means x plus 15, and find the number. So by solving this you will get the answer. Today we are keeping up to here. In the next lecture we'll continue with remaining questions. Okay, thank you, have a great day.